G'day all, Wayne and Judy from Down Under here. This is our latest little beastie. You can see there we've made a base for it. This base we actually made out of just an old hardwood sleeper. We threw it together yesterday. So you can see this gorgeous old birch sewing machine. How gorgeous these here. They're the actual drive wheels or drive lugs that go into the actual, this is your feed dog here. So you can see your drive shaft down in there, your cog. So you can also see those spikes there. They are actually your feed dog. So how cool is this? Now we've got the birch. So you can see here, W. Birch's patent. You've got William Birch, Manchester maker. I believe that's trademark machine, the Birch, and 7593B. Possibly that's the machine number. And then you've got patent. It could also be the patent number. But how gorgeous is this? What a monster. So we're really pleased to have it looking this good. So she's now running. She does sew. She's a beautiful chain stitch machine, and you've got a nice long chain stitch on it. So this here is the Birch. Wayne and Judy from Down Under, thank you very much. What a monster.